Damn, somebody just got shot. Somebody just did some shooting. I heard that. Being in the hood, boy. That shit crazy. No peace.